eat bananas.
But it's too late in the night. I want to eat mangoes.
But it's not even summertime, so they are not in the market.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Mango.
Mango who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Strawberry.
Strawberry who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Persimmon.
What is that? It looks like a tomato.
It's a persimmon actually, but I said persimmon because it tastes like many fruits like banana, mango, strawberry, you name it. It got taste of those fruits.
Oh, that's interesting.
You want to
Can
try?
I try that?
Sure, go ahead and try it.
Welcome back to another video of stuff Sulaiman does on Sunday. Today we are going to try a persimmon. These persimmons are Fuyu persimmons. Fuyu persimmons originate in Asia, but mostly in Japan and China. To check if they are ripe, they have to be soft to touch, or they have to have a dark orange or almost red color. Let's cut this persimmon open because it's ripe. Let's cut it open from top to bottom. After you are done cutting the persimmon, you can split it in half like this. If your persimmons are overripe, they might be a little squishy, so open them with care.
Let's try the fruit. Yummy.
It almost tastes like the fruits which we thought it would taste like, right?
Yes.
The flesh is very gel-like and it also has some fibery texture in it. And when you eat it, it also leaves a grainy texture in your mouth. But that's okay because the taste is very good. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye.
Bye.
This is it for today. Hope you liked the video. Oh no.
Here you go, guys. I got something better for you.
Huh? What is that? A tomato?
It tastes like banana and mango together, but you know, it's better than mango and banana. You want to try that?
What's it called?
Persimmon. What is it called? Knock knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Sulaiman की बारी थी.
Welcome back to Stuff
Sulaiman.
Welcome back to Stuff Sulaiman does on Sunday. Welcome back to. Although they look like tomatoes,